Hello there, and welcome to this pregnancy-friendly morning yoga routine. I'm coming up to being 17 weeks pregnant, and I would love to hear from you how far along you are. I have been teaching quite a few years before my pregnancy, and also practice yoga myself. And I decided that it's a really wonderful way to keep doing it during my pregnancy. Of course, with some adjustments, some postures I'm not currently doing, but please listen to your own body when you move with me through these practices, because we are all so different, and you might feel something that feels amazing and really good for me currently isn't really right for you. So take it slow, take it step by step, and then you will know what is best for your body and your little one for right now. I look forward to practice with you, and we'll see you in a moment. So we're beginning in a seated posture, and if you have blocks or bolsters at home, you might choose to sit on one to feel like it's a little bit easier for the spine to elongate. So come into a comfortable position, allow your palms to rest down onto your legs, and then just gently close your eyes to draw your full awareness inward. And as you come to sit down on your yoga mat, just really know that you carved that time out for yourself and your baby. And to become fully present, imagine everything else that is happening around you. Anything you're going to do for the rest of your day can stay aside now. Allow your spine to lengthen here. Visualize the crown of your head moving up towards the skies above you. And then place your left hand onto your heart and your right hand onto your belly, your baby. We're going to move through a gentle breathing practice today. We're connecting heart and the belly, those two energies. And see whatever comes up for you. You might keep the breath very, very slow and simple, or you can really energize your body by breathing deeper, however you're feeling today. So take a nice deep breath in, just for once. Inhale through the nose. Gently open your mouth and sigh it out. Now let's start together. Inhale, feel your left hand rising, breathe into your heart space. Then breathe down into your belly, right hand. And imagine softening your right palm, your belly a little bit as you breathe out, and then your heart relaxes. So two parts we're focusing on today. Inhaling left hand. Then breathe the air further down. Imagine your right palm is lifting and expanding. Exhale, soften at your right hand, your belly, and release through the chest. Take 5 more of these rounds. And really visualize that you're drawing positive and good energy into your heart, and you breathe it around your baby. See if every round of breath can feel a little bit deeper, a little bit longer. And it's such a beautiful way, breathing, sitting still, to really connect inward to the current changes, to how you're feeling today, which will be different to yesterday, the day before. Let's take one more round together. Nice deep in-breath. Exhale. Very, very nice, beautiful work. And then slowly blink, open your eyes, and release your hands down onto your legs. From here, gently drop your left ear down towards the left shoulder. Keep your heart slightly lifted, and just feel the right neck opening up here. As you inhale, lift the head back to center, and exhale, ear towards the right shoulder. Let's do that a couple more times with the breath. Inhale back through center. Exhale to the left. And feel free to keep your eyes closed here if you notice that it's actually quite nice to just keep your focus fully inward. As you inhale, head comes back. Exhale, ear to the shoulder. Very nice. Breathe in once more. Breathe out to release. Beautiful work. And then from here, release your left hand down onto your mat, or you can also stay on fingertips. And inhale, reach your right arm up and overhead. And especially currently sleeping on one side, on the left side more than the other side, you really want to lengthen your side body again so you keep it nice and balanced. So reach into your fingertips here, stay heavy through the hips. Now let's take it to the left side, right hand comes down, and then this very vital side that you're sleeping a lot on at the moment, feel this lengthening. Feel how you're creating space again by breathing into it. Very nice. And now let's connect this to the breath. Inhale, wheel your arms through center. Exhale, side stretch. Keep your arms nice and soft, but really feel your body opening. Once more. Inhaling and exhaling. Very, very nice. And then from here, come to center and let's move into tabletop. So roll forward and find your way onto your palms and knees. If you feel your hands are a bit, or your wrists are a bit vulnerable at the moment, you can always make fists and see if that feels a little bit nicer. And then start to circle your body into one direction. And this will look again different for everyone. You might keep these circles quite lifted, quite small, or you might drop hips towards the heels, so a version of child's pose, and then really move the body forward. And as you're moving, keep clawing your fingertips gently down, keep pressing the big toes down so you have your foundation. And then allow the back to free up here with this spinal movement, spinal waves. Remember, it's not how much you're doing, it's how you're doing it, by breathing deep, by being aware, in tune with your body. And again, all the change is happening. And then we're going to move into the other direction. So start to roll through the hips the other way around. And again, make them as big or as small as you like. Keep your jaw relaxed, teeth relaxed. Couple more. Very, very nice. And then find your way back to center. Keep your right hand underneath your shoulder, or maybe slightly further out to the right. And then inhale, lift the left arm out and as far up towards the ceiling as you would like to. Your hips stay parallel. They're not moving here. It's your upper body, the chest slightly opening and twisting here. And then release your left hand down for the other side. Right hand is reaching out, maybe up. Keep your hips rather to the left. Inhale. And then exhale to release. Beautiful work. Step your left foot forward to your left hand. And I'm currently using a lot of blocks, so you can use pillows at home or books, anything you have here to bring the earth a little bit further towards you. Right hand underneath the shoulder. Now let's repeat what we've just done in a different variation. For a twist, extend your left arm up towards the ceiling. Keep grounding through the feet here. Relax into your hips as much as it feels good. And then move your arm in circles. So we are opening a little bit at the shoulder joint here. You can follow your hand with your gaze or simply keep it down at your right palm. Very nice. And then for low lunge, Anja, lift your hands off the mat and extend your arms forward and up. Breathe into your chest, then breathe down into your belly. Exhale, belly softens, chest relaxes. Once more, deep belly breath here. Very, very nice. And then to change to the other side, you could simply kind of lean out of your hips, then swing the left knee back and step your right foot forward, coming into low lunge. Left hand underneath your shoulder, you're bending forward, right knee over the ankle, and then let's inhale, right arm comes out and up. Look into any direction, again that feels good for the neck. And then start to draw nice big circles with your arm. Focus on your shoulder opening here. Very, very nice. And then for low lunge, press your feet down even more so you don't have to engage the core. And then lift your arms forward and up. Gently draw your pinky fingers in, thumbs out, so your shoulders can really relax. Come back to that 2-part breath. Keep your feet grounded so again you're not sinking or dumping your weight into the hips. Once more, inhale. And then exhale to release. To come out, slowly start to step the right foot back. Move any blocks out of the way. And then for a gentle down dog, hands come forward. If you don't want to do down dog, just do tabletop. Curl your toes under otherwise and lift the hips back and up. Make sure your belly has space here so your feet are hip width or further apart. Gently roll the head side to side, moving it in that no direction, that yes direction. Do any movement here in down dog that feels nourishing. Come to stillness for a moment. Just feel this length you're creating in the entire body. Beautiful work. And then for Balasana, our final resting pose, bring your knees down, mat width apart or hip width, big toes together. And what I really like to do at the moment is fists to support my forehead, so I don't have to lower down too much, but you can have your arms long, forehead relaxed on the earth. Feel your belly rising and falling. Connect inward again. Maybe an intention you want to set yourself for the day, or just a current feeling from your practice that you would like to save to take into your day ahead. And then slowly release your hands down. With the help of your palms, roll up into a seated posture. You can either have your hands in Namaskar at your heart, or maybe one palm on the heart, the other one on your baby. Allow your chin to bow down to the chest in gratitude. And just really enjoy that time of presence. The time you have here with your bump. Beautiful work. Thank you so much for your trust and practicing. I wish you a wonderful day. From my heart to yours. Namaste.